The chairman of the Fazza International Organization and the chairman of the Fazaa group of companies, Mohammad Ali Qureshi, met with the Consulate General of the Sultanate of Oman. The chairman of the Fazza International Organization, Mohammad Ali Qureshi, held a special meeting with the Omani Consul General at the Consulate of the Sultanate of Oman in Karachi and presented a certificate of appreciation to the Omani Consul General in Pakistan for his distinguished services. He also presented a certificate of appreciation on behalf of the Fazza International Organization and the civilization of the Sindh Province. And in this important meeting, also presented was the Vice Chairman of the Board of Directors of the Fazza International Organization, Ali Nazeer, the advocate. During the meeting, Mohammad Ali Qureshi praised the role of the Omani Consul General in Pakistan and thanked him for continuing to strengthen the long-term relations between Pakistan and the Sultanate of Oman. The Omani Consul General Sami Abdullah Al-Khanjari also presented some souvenirs from Omani culture and civilization to Mohammad Ali Qureshi and expressed his appreciation for Mohammad Ali Qureshi's feelings of love for the well-being of poor humanity and the Omani brothers and sisters living in Oman. Mohammad Ali Qureshi thanked them for highlighting the message of progress and prosperity in the Arab society that lives in Oman. In the Arab world on social media, he was awarded a certificate of appreciation from the Fazza International Organization.